Are you ready to discover the latest and the greatest products on the market? Well, you are in the right place here. We present the latest and the best survival kits of this year. If you want to buy these amazing products, then go through the links which are given in the description box. Product 1: Go Time Gear Life Tent Emergency Survival Shelter. The Go Time Gear Life Tent Emergency Survival Shelter is a versatile and essential tool for outdoor enthusiasts, adventurers, and emergency preparedness. Designed to accommodate 2 people, this emergency tent serves multiple purposes, including survival shelter, tube tent, and survival tarp. Constructed with durable materials, the Life Tent offers protection from the elements, keeping occupants dry and warm in adverse weather conditions. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to carry in backpacks or emergency kits, ensuring it's readily available when needed most. In addition to providing shelter, the Life Tent comes equipped with essential survival accessories, such as a survival whistle and paracord. These additions enhance its functionality, providing users with tools to signal for help and secure the shelter in place. Whether it's used for camping, hiking, or emergency situations, the Go Time Gear Life Tent Emergency Survival Shelter offers peace of mind and reliable protection against the unexpected challenges of the outdoors. Product 3: Survival Kit. The Survival Kit appears to be a comprehensive package designed to equip individuals with essential tools and gear for various survival scenarios, ranging from outdoor adventures to emergency situations. This kit likely includes items such as first aid supplies, tactical tools, camping gear, and survival essentials. First aid components are crucial for addressing injuries and medical emergencies, providing immediate assistance until further medical help can be obtained. Tactical tools could encompass items like multi-tools, knives, or other implements, useful for survival tasks and self-defense if needed. Camping gear would likely consist of items necessary for shelter, warmth, and sustenance in outdoor environments, such as tents, sleeping bags, and cooking equipment. Additionally, survival gear might include items like fire starters, water purification tools, navigation aids, and emergency signaling devices. Given its focus on gift for men, this survival kit could be marketed towards individuals who enjoy outdoor activities, such as camping, hiking, or hunting, as well as those who prioritize being prepared for unexpected situations. It aims to provide a comprehensive solution for both recreational and emergency needs, making it a practical and thoughtful gift option. Product 3: Product Name: Stanley Adventure. The Nesting 2-Cup Cooksit. The Stanley Adventure, the Nesting 2-Cup Cooksit, is a compact and versatile cooking solution designed for outdoor enthusiasts, campers, and adventurers. This cooksit is part of the renowned Stanley Adventure series, known for its durable and reliable outdoor gear. The cooksit includes 2 nesting cups, which means they fit neatly inside each other for easy storage and transportation. This feature is particularly convenient for backpackers and those with limited space in their camping gear. The cups are made from durable, BPA-free stainless steel, ensuring they can withstand the rigors of outdoor use, while also being safe for food and beverages. Each cup has a capacity of 2 cups, making them suitable for preparing and enjoying hot drinks, soups, or simple meals while on the go. The cups feature insulated sleeves to help keep drinks hot or cold for extended periods, enhancing the overall camping experience. The compact design of the cooksit makes it ideal for backpacking trips, camping. Product 4: Product Name: RealityWise Prepper Pack Bucket. The RealityWise Prepper Pack Bucket offers a comprehensive solution for emergency preparedness, outdoor adventures, and survival situations. With 52 servings of pre-made, freeze-dried meals and drinks, it provides a convenient and efficient food supply for various scenarios, including hiking, camping, and emergency situations. Each serving is individually packaged, enhancing portability and ensuring easy portion control. The freeze-dried nature of the meals ensures that they have a long shelf life of up to 25 years, making them ideal for long-term storage and peace of mind. Whether you're stocking up for unforeseen emergencies or planning for outdoor excursions, the RealityWise Prepper Pack Bucket offers a convenient and reliable solution for your food needs. It provides essential nutrition in a compact and durable package, allowing you to focus on your adventures or weather through emergencies with confidence. Product 5 Product Name Emergency Sleeping Bag Survival Bag 2-Pack. The Emergency Sleeping Bag Survival Bag 2-Pack appears to be a product designed for emergency preparedness and survival situations. With its emphasis on portability and thermal insulation, it aims to provide a solution for staying warm and protected during outdoor emergencies, such as camping trips gone awry or unexpected situations where shelter is needed. The inclusion of 2 bags in the pack suggests it's suitable for accommodating multiple individuals or for having a backup option on hand. This survival gear likely features lightweight and durable materials, making it easy to carry in a backpack or emergency kit. Its thermal sleeping bag design suggests it can effectively retain body heat, crucial for maintaining core temperature in cold environments. Additionally, its bivy sack configuration implies it offers some degree of protection from the elements, potentially shielding users from wind, rain, or snow. Overall, the Emergency Sleeping Bag Survival Bag 2-Pack seems to be a versatile and practical solution for anyone prioritizing preparedness for outdoor emergencies or unexpected survival situations. Product 6 Product Name Energizer AA and AAA Batteries Combo Pack. The Energizer AA and AAA Batteries Combo Pack, featuring 24 max AA batteries and 24 max AAA batteries, offers a convenient solution for powering various devices. With a total of 48 batteries in the pack, users can expect long-lasting performance for their household electronics, ranging from remote controls and toys to flashlights and portable radios. Energizer, a renowned brand in the battery industry, is known for its commitment to quality and reliability. The Max series batteries boast an impressive shelf life, ensuring that they remain ready for use, even after extended periods in storage. This makes them ideal for stocking up on essential power sources for emergencies or everyday needs. The AA batteries are designed to deliver consistent power output, while the AAA batteries provide compact yet efficient energy for smaller devices. Whether tackling high-drain gadgets or powering low-consumption electronics, this combo